Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a SolidWorks software use here, and this use a oil seal and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and all dimension in millimeter. And this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all 2D drafting is available here. Okay, and this is isometric view, and this project is very important, and this is a hydraulic pump project, and all parts is a one by one is a design here. And this is a very important, and this is a oil seal this use here. Okay, and this software is used here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and all this is body is looking perfect and correct. Okay, this is very nice looking here. Okay, this is very important and very nice looking here. Okay, 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 and this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and guys, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first drawing select a part, and some setting is very important. First is a plain white, and going to option, and option is this image quality is very high because all point is looking perfect and correct. Okay, okay, and okay, and this is a at first select a plane is a front plane, and this use a front view because this is a better. And drawing a drafting is a drawing here, drawing a some sketch, and all dimension is mentioned here. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, and a reference line is a drawing here, a construction line is drawing here, and this is a line is better. And select a line and drawing a okay, and drawing a constructs. This line is a drawing here. Okay, and this is a not any relation. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, okay, this is a drawing here, and this line is this, and some line is horizontal, and drawing a circle is a drawing this. Okay, and draw against a horizontal and a vertical line, and going to this and connect to this. Okay, this some sketch drawing. Okay, and at first select this mention 1 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 7 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And edit, and this is a 1 millimeter. Okay, and this use a 1 millimeter. Okay, and this use this, and at first select this point, and this line is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and this point is drag here this okay, and this line, and this is a okay, and also this and this point. Okay, select this point, press a control button and select this point. Okay, this is a perfect, and this point, and also press a control button, and this is a this point, and this point is a vertical line. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a drag here. Okay, and this is a 7. Okay, and also this line is a 2.5 millimeter. This 2.5 millimeter and this is a delete here, and drag here this and also select this distance, and this is 1 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 7 millimeter. Okay, and also this point to this distance is a 8.5 millimeter. Okay, 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 this is a perfect and correct, and select this distance is a this is a default 1.5. okay, perfect drawing here. Okay, okay, all point is a learn here, all point is a drawing here easily and clearly, and this is a this. Okay, a drawing this a distance is a 1.5 is default, and 2.5 is this, and this is a 5 millimeter and 7 millimeter and 1 millimeter, and this is also 1 millimeter, and this use a radius, and this center point distance is a 8.5 millimeter. Okay, all point is a drawing here easily, and this is use a fillet is use here 0.5, and okay, and use a fillet, sketch fillet, and point and 0.3 millimeter. Okay, 0.3 millimeter is this, and select a okay, and drawing a this, and select a this, and this, and this, and okay, and okay, but this point is a drawing some drag here, and this is also drawing this distance is this, delete here because some drag point is drag here, and also this is a okay, and this distance is a small distance, and this is a okay, and this use a this a drag here, okay, this okay, and but this point is a some a small is distance is very high, because this point some distance, this distance is a 2 but very high, okay, and this is a delete here, and this is a delete here, and this and this point is this and some drag here, because this point is very okay, a small circle is select here this drawing this drawing a small circle, okay, okay, this is a drag here this point, again select this, okay, this is a very important, and okay, and this is a very nice looking here, and all point is perfect and correct, okay, and this is a better, okay, and select a use a revolve boss base, and this is a axis is select here, and this okay, okay, all point is a perfect and drawing here easily and clearly, and okay, and material is apply here, and going to this metal is this brush copper, and copper is this, okay, and okay, and guys I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly, and guys next lecture is coming soon, okay guys, thank you.